Hey! Get ready to elevate your B2B game because today's video, fueled by TouchSuite, your go-to for merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. We're unlocking the top 8 ways on building a successful B2B social media strategy. And trust me, you won't want to miss a beat. Stick around until the end because we're about to dive deep into the strategies that can skyrocket your B2B presence. But before unraveling the secrets, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe to stay in the loop for more content, and drop a comment below. Share your thoughts and experiences with B2B social media strategies. Now, let's jump into it. Choosing the right platforms. To achieve optimal results, concentrate your efforts on platforms where your target audience is highly active. For B2B companies, prioritizing LinkedIn, known for its professional networking, typically yields the best outcomes, followed by Facebook and Twitter. By channeling resources into select platforms, you can engage effectively with your audience without spreading your efforts too thin. Competitive analysis. Curious about what your competitors are doing on social media? The scoop is here. Discover how analyzing your competition can help you identify gaps and opportunities, giving your brand a unique edge. Setting smart goals. It's time to get smart about your goals. Whether you're aiming to boost brand awareness, generate leads, or enhance customer engagement, align your goals with measurable KPIs for ultimate success. Embracing multimedia content. Let's spice things up with multimedia. From engaging videos to attention-grabbing infographics, find out how diversifying your content can set your brand apart and captivate your B2B audience. Humanizing your brand. Get ready to humanize your brand. Unveil the power of showcasing your team and their stories. It's not just about the business, it's about creating a community that resonates with your B2B audience. Consistency is key. Why does consistency matter? Discover how maintaining a steady posting schedule fosters trust and loyalty, keeping your B2B audience engaged and invested in your brand. Optimal posting times. Timing is everything in the B2B world. Learn how experimenting with posting times and content formats can maximize your reach. Plus, discover the magic of engaging with trending topics to boost brand visibility. Cultivating authentic connections. Authenticity is our secret weapon. Explore how social listening and genuine interactions can build trust and brand loyalty, positioning your B2B brand as an industry thought leader. And there you have it, the top 8 ways to build a successful B2B social media strategy. If these strategies resonated with you, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a comment below, and for cutting-edge payment solutions, check out TouchSuite website. Trusted by 50,000+ companies worldwide for over 20 years, they are the go-to for payment solutions for today's businesses. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy strategizing!